Hey everyone, it's Summer with the Wispy Realm, and I got my new Passion for Polymer magazine in the mail. So I wanted to do a quick overview and show you what I got. Here it is, Passion for Polymer, okay? And our inside stencil is, whoop, going this way, hearts. Look at that. Hi everyone. All right, so yeah, so this is just going to be like a quick overview of the Passion for Polymer, and that way you guys can kind of like see it and, you know, enjoy it. And if you are interested in buying it, then I will put the link here in the description, and I will also have it here on the video. So be sure to check that out if you have not already. Okay, because it's pretty great magazine, honestly. Like, there's a little bit of everything for everyone. I'm mainly a sculptor, which I've commented on before, and this one has a lot in it. A lot of jewelry more than anything, but it is a February edition, so it has hearts, and, you know, jewelry is part of that because that's what we tend to make, you know. All right, so in here we have letters from the editor. We have a DIY of this tutorial right here, which is super cute. I want to try that one, really, I do. I mean, there's just so much in here. Like, it goes on and on and on. So, a lot of hearts. Lots and lots and lots of hearts. Lots of different DIYs in different colors. Yeah, it's got a lot of different, they got those who dare to teach, never cease to learn, and it's getting to know another artist, which I think is really cool. I love that they do that get to know the artist piece. Now, this is one of my favorite pieces in this edition, and it is the Queen of Hearts necklace, and it's by NECA Hotman, I think that's how you pronounce it. But check that beauty out, and yes, you get the tutorial in order to do that. Oh, it's just so beautiful. It really, really is. And then the other one is, there's this cane in here by Sandy Romango. It's called the Bleeding Heart cane, and she shows you how to do it. Isn't that gorgeous? I love that color. That is such a gorgeous color. Super gorgeous color. I'm not big on canes. Like, I can watch other people do it, but I'm not such a big cane person. It's just not really something that's in my style. There's even a trinket tray, which I'm really excited to try. That's up my alley right there instead of the jewelry. So we've got a trinket tray going on that I'm interested in trying out this month. I think it'll be super fun. And this mushroom by, who's it by? Naomi Scarpero is adorable. Oh my goodness. Look at that mushroom. Isn't it cute? Holy cow, it's so cute. Yeah. I can't help it. I like cute things, guys. I just like cute things. and I'm Fae. I like Fae stuff. I like magic stuff. So I'm super excited about this one too. It is. Are you ready? Are you guys ready? Magic wands. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, I can't wait to try that one too. Like, there's a lot more in this one that I want to try than there has been in some of the other ones for me. And of course, there is the Cure with Miss Gina. Where is she at? I just saw her. There it is. No, there's not. She goes over talking about armatures and whether or not you need armatures. So that's really good information in this. And then there is some really cool art in here. Like that still tutorial art. Like this is, I think there's a tutorial for this one too, if I remember right. I'm pretty sure there is. Kind of. It's more like, it's more for the Cameo rather than the actual painting. So that's pretty cool though. I'm not really a flat artist, but it's really pretty. And then the last part to talk about, of course, is one of my favorite parts in the magazine. And it is all of other artists' work. These are not tutorials. These are just love to other artists who may not be so well known, who participate in the group and everything else. So I really love this aspect of the magazine. Look at all of those beautiful pieces. They are so beautiful. I just love them. And I think it's fantastic. There's so many cool artists in here. Yeah, so if you're interested in getting this, it is only about $10 a month. And you can get it right there at www.passionforpolymer.com. So I will see you guys again later. Have an awesome day.